Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Harbor Freight parking lot sale. So let's dive in. All right, to get us started, I want to remind y'all that right now through Thursday is Inside Track Club members, and then everyone else gets access starting Friday through Monday. So you will see Inside Track Club members on these little listings, but this will be for everyone beginning on Friday. So you can see some of these little Quinn socket sets here. We also have some extensions right there, and then also this Voyager bag down to $4. Great bag right there, 12-inch tool bag. We also have the little 5-piece plier set there. Great things for that. More headlamps, $10. Really cool deals on those. We have some little package options here for $3. And we also have some gloves. They have a ton of gloves, but I mean, almost half price right there, 50% off. That's great. I really like some of these Warrior option deals. I'll show y'all more of these. You get the multi-tool here for $15. That's one of the cheapest multi-tools you'll be able to find. Ammo box here for $6. And then also the Braun light here for $15 as well. They have the little Quinn pliers. You see these little with a snap back there. They also had the extenders for the socket sets here for $8 for Pittsburgh. Next, they have the heat gun here for $10. Again, cheapest probably heat gun you can find. I will show you the price of this paint sprayer a little bit later. We have some straps here for $7. And then we also have more pieces for Pittsburgh there. 146 piece, pretty good deal for a DIY option there. Got some Kenway lights, $23 for these, if you need some of those. And then also we have another strap right here, $25. We have another Apache waterproof case, $20 for this one's the medium case. So again, if you need to store some stuff, got different colors and different options for those, so you can check that out. We also have the Hallmaster 6-inch drop option here. We also have the trailer hitch, just a triple ball trailer hitch there for $25. The diesel transfer pump, $100 on that one. And then another shot at some ammo storage here for $6. Then right next to here, we had a couple other options. We had a couple of these socket adapter sets for $3 for Pittsburgh. You can see those. And then also the quick release drive, the little double angle here, the double motion. It's got 2 of those. And then also the reciprocating blades for $5 there. So again, another solid deal. Different ones, especially the Warrior. A lot of Warrior deals going on right now. We also have this little magnet right here. That's a game changer if you guys have ever dropped anything. It's a lifesaver. And then also some shop towels here as well. So great thing to pick up right there. Next, we have some more Icon lights, $48 here for this like light wand. You can maneuver that around. It's really cool. Rechargeable floodlight here, also for Icon, $35 on that one. We have the Warrior reciprocating blades. Showed y'all, some of the other blades, but like I said, a lot of Warrior deals going on right now. More batteries. We saw these on the other sale, but still battery deals are going on right now. 33% off of these. So again, a great pickup for that one. Another Pittsburgh deal. Got a 37 piece here for $30. Then we also have some of this welding wire, $15 for that. I'll show you some more welding deals here in a second. Drill Master, this is one of the cheapest circular saws I think I've ever seen, $30. I mean, that's cheaper than Skill is at Lowe's. Also the heat gun, great price for that. I mean, cheapest heat gun you'll find. And then also the Apache long case here for $95. So another great price for that one. I really like this deal right here on these anti-fatigue mats. Might have to grab some of these foam mats for my shop. Great thing to go ahead and put in there. Help save your knees. I did want to show you guys just a few of these Inside Track Club deals going on. They're kind of sprinkled in here. I don't have a ton of them, but I did want to let you guys know those are still going on right now. And if you're interested, I have another video where I go over all the Inside Track Club deals and the after Christmas sales going on right now as well. So you can check that out. I'll have a link for it in the description. So if you're interested, you can check it out down there. We have the Badland winch. I feel like every time we have a big sale, these are on sale, but $300. So good price on that winch right there. And then we also have the smaller setup as well. So we have the 9,500 pound Badland winch here for $290. So again, just depending on which one you were interested in, you can grab that. Central Machinery has their ultrasonic parts cleaner down to $140. So another great deal for that one there. Here's just another view of it down to the $140. And then even right next to it, we have another Inside Track Club deal going on right now. They had all their cable ties picked over. You see these? I mean, they got down to $180. So around 30% off of those, but all of those have been picked over at my store. So I think that's a pretty popular deal. And here's the price for the paint sprayer, right under 40 bucks, 38 bucks on that one. So if you want a paint sprayer, you can check this out. Also another, the heavier duty, bigger section right here, paint sprayer option for that one as well for 200 bucks. Here is one of the biggest deals they got, 40% off all paint brushes, rollers, and drop cloths. So if you're going to be painting, or if you're going to be painting at all this year, might as well go ahead and stock up on these. 40% off. That is a great price on all these items, paint brushes and different things like that. I haven't seen a ton of deals on these recently, so these are some great prices. You can see a lot of these are still available at my store. They did have the Predator foldable solar panel down to $109. Good price right there to charge up your Predator options. See, this is an example I wanted to show y'all. It does have the after Christmas sale still going on, but some of these are even lower than that for this Armstrong TV mount. So I will, again, kind of see some of those deals kind of in and out. More Braun lights for your shop. Great one right there for 16 bucks. And then here's another Icon light. We saw this earlier. We just wanted to show y'all that one more time. Here's another deal, 35% off all Maddox Auto Shop tool equipment and diagnostics. So 35% off all in-store options here. So they have a ton of Maddox options for your vehicles. So you can check these out, get to save up to 35% off of those. So I just wanted to show you all those. Didn't get super specific on these just because they had so many. But again, if you need any of these, you can slide in here and grab 35% off of those. And a little funnel here for $1. Grab that one. They had this chain hoist, 55 bucks from Hallmaster. A little carb choke cleaner, $5 there. And then here are a couple other just small deals. They have the hook pack set. You see that one. They also had some of these like little screw ins, closeout specials. They had some of these specials. I showed y'all some, but not all. Again, if you're interested on a lot more of these deals, you can check out my other video that I did last week on some of those deals going on right now. And here's another Maddox Diagnostics, so 35% off of these. I think it's a great thing to go ahead and grab and check out and see what you might need. And here's a few more Maddox options for some more stuff like that. Again, 35% off of those. Another popular jack here, the Daytona 3-ton jack. 35 bucks. Check that one out there. Those are on sale again pretty often. Daytona floor jack here, 3-ton, 130. So again, if you need one of those, great time to snag one. And then also another one right here for $100 with Pittsburgh. So again, if you're going to be doing any of that work, Pittsburgh has their 3-ton low profile jack down for $100. There's just another view of it. I want to show y'all that one. But again, pretty good deals on those. $100 here on the transfer pump. Again, I think I showed you that up front, but it's not available right there. Here is another set of Pittsburgh 37-piece combination sockets for $30. Again, another deal right there. We also have the Pittsburgh 140-piece for $50. So again, I think we saw this one earlier, but another great DIY option for your house. More little quick release ratchets here. Kind of the basic ratchets for $8. Quinn Master socket set, $119, a 3-piece. Big socket set right there, different ratchets and also sockets, so you should be good on that one. They did have the garage shelving on sale. So again, everybody trying to get organized here. $120. Good prices on that one there. And then also we have US General, a little storage for the magnetic paper towel holder. I really like this Yukon workbench down to $140. Has some storage underneath, little cabinets, and then also just, I think it's just really cool with the wood grain, wood paneling stuff there. Also another Yukon option here, 46-inch storage cabinet with a wood top. You see that one though. They have different colors as well, so if you're interested, you can see what colors they might have in your store. Also, $30 here. We have a little blowtorch. I really like this. I really like mine. It's a great thing to grab. You will need to attach that one to propane tank. Another big deal right here, 30% off all hammers, pry bars, and hex key sets for Icon. So again, pretty good deal on that one. 30% off all of these. So if you're interested in any of those, you can check them out. For those, I really like those hex key sets. That's a great thing to pick up there. But 30% off all these Icon deals. Another great deal here for Harbor Freight. $6 for ratcheting screwdriver set. I like that one. Also moving dolly, $13. Great thing to always have, save your back. Pressure washer from Bauer, $70. A little small setup there, 1800 psi. Right next to this one we also have the Portland 1750 psi at $70. So again, some good electric pressure washers there. Portable planer for Hercules, $350. If you need one of those, great thing to pick up there. Also right next to that we had the Bauer belt and disc sander, $90. Again, great items on those. And then we have more welding helmets here from Chicago Electric and other options. We have another welding helmet right here for $130. And also let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, and if you got anything, let me know what you did get. I'd love to know that. I will have links for these items down below as well, so if you're interested, you can check those out there. And if this video has been helpful so far, feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. We have the Bauer item, and then we also have another Warrior deal right here. I mean, they're selling a ton of Warrior stuff. And look at this, they have the Warrior table saw down to $130. So again, let me know in the comments if you guys have ever used any of these Warrior brands and how well they've worked for you. I also have the compound miter saw here. This is the 6.5 inch, so remember that, but down to $200 for Admiral. Bauer with an angle grinder with paddle switch, $35. Pretty good deal right there for Bauer. We also have Predator gas engine trash pump here for $200. So again, if you need one of those, great thing to check out there. Hercules lower wall breaker hammer for $100 for that one. Another great setup. Again, Hercules is one of the top end brands here, so they're definitely going to do a good job for you. Warrior, another deal for the polisher sander, $33. Hercules, again, they didn't have this one right here. They did have the little option right here, just that you could see it for the palm sander, $45, and then you can see right next to it has the Inside Track Club deal going on with the Bauer tool as well. Drywall sander, $120. Again, check that one out for getting up some drywall with Bauer. Deep cut variable bandsaw here for Bauer, $80 on that one. Pretty good deal. And then, like I said, I wanted to show y'all just a few of these Inside Track Club deals going on right now as well. These were just on the front shelf, but they do have Inside Track Club. They also have after Christmas sale, and they have some clearance items going on. Like I said, I'll have another video y'all can check out here once this one wraps up, and it'll show you all the deals going on. It was a video from last week, but it still pertains to these right here. But I think there's some great deals going on right now at the parking lot sale. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. And if this video is helpful, you can leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. Check out another video, and I'll see you in the next one.